Good morning, my beautiful people. My name is Jackie, and today I'm very excited because I'm going to guide you along on a morning stretch, a stretch that'll make you feel more energized and more free for the rest of the day. I love stretching in the morning. It makes me feel more free, and I am a massage therapist as well, so I need to get my joints moving, I need to feel more flexible, and I'd love to share this part of the day with you all. So here is a playlist that I like to use in the morning. It's a very positive, it's a very peaceful, empowering playlist, and you can use it if you would like. This stretch is for beginners. It's a good way to just get moving in the morning, whether you exercise or not. So let's go ahead and get started. So first I'm gonna do my morning stretch, but afterwards I'm gonna do some breathing and some positive affirmations to get started on the day. Follow along as I stretch for the day. Take a couple of deep breaths in, hold for 4 seconds, and then breathe out. Let's start off by stretching our hips. Count at least to 10. Now flex and point your feet. Now continue following along with my movements with 10 seconds each. Breathe in, breathe out. Now we're going to stretch our hamstrings and our side muscles. You can stay here as long as you'd like. this part makes me feel the most relaxed. We're going to stretch our shoulder and neck muscles. Start off by rolling your shoulders back 5 times slowly. Now we're going to roll our shoulders forward. Now we're going to stretch our shoulders up to our ears 5 times slowly. Now we're stretching our neck side to side 5 times slowly. Make sure to really stretch those neck muscles. Breathe in and breathe out. Now we're going to stretch our neck in a circular motion, starting on the right, and move very slowly. Now to the left. Once you're done, close your eyes for 10 seconds and breathe in and out. Last but not least, we're going to stretch our arms. Alright everyone, so I hope you enjoyed those morning stretches. Now we're going to go ahead and do some positive affirmations that really help with your self-worth, confidence, and also to start your day on a positive note. So make sure to feel as comfortable as possible, and let's get started. Today I choose love, peace, compassion, and kindness. I choose to look within and become aware of what I may be feeling, and know that no matter what I'm going through, I am safe inside and I am loved. I have the power to change my life for the better. I choose to see the beauty in life and all of its amazing creations. And I choose to see the joy in even the smallest things. I am capable. I am strong. I love others, and I also love myself. I am beautiful. I cherish my body. I cherish my health. I am uniquely made. I am loved, and I make sure to remind others that they are worthy to live a fulfilling and peaceful and beautiful life as well. Breathe in and breathe out everything you may be holding in. Thank you so much for watching. Bye everyone, love you.